Wow. So nice. So nice, Rico. Sleeping. Rico is our very sweet baby. Very sweet. You bath him tomorrow? I don't like the color. It's not so white anymore. Before the bath, let them go outside at the garden. The Madam Toti is upstairs. Hello. Rico. I always disturb your sleep. Oh, I cannot imagine. Sad we don't have video when he was still a baby. A very, very small. Like, just like, I was small like your hand only, right?
Yeah.
Like the size of the head now. Now look at him. Look at him.
No, we didn't think he was gonna make it, love.
Yeah.
We thought he was gonna die.
We thought he's going to die because of the eye infection. Then after the eye infection, the throat, and then you told me that I must not bath him, but I really bath. And luckily, oh. Can you explain how you saw Rico?
I didn't see him, I kicked him. When he was a kitten, I was walking to go for my lift, and I kicked something in the road. And when I looked, I'd seen this little kitten that was meowing by my feet. I looked for his parents and his mother or somebody. There was nobody there. I picked him up, took him with me, and then asked my boss if he could bring me home so I could bring him home too. Just opened up the door, put him inside, and left him for the day. And thought, well, we'll come and see in the afternoon if he's still alive because of Toti. And he was alive. And he stayed.
Yeah, we never expected he will be this sweet cat because
Shining his coat is.
before he always just run. And look, Rico have a heart shape. Can you explain this one? Heart shape what? Like this one. Heart shape.
He's got a heart-shaped form in his fur.
Yeah. Look, you pull it like that. Look at that.
Mr. Floppy. Here's your boy, your floppy kitty cat. Here's your floppy kitty cat. Here's your kitty cat. Your paw. Your paw should see it. Your.
Hi, Rico. Look at me. Look at me. Oy. Rico. Rico likes to be rubbed. That then he sleep. Now, Rico's relax. The other one is upstairs. Toti is in the bedroom. She's a madam. She wants a very big space. She's a small cat, but then she wants a big space. Let them out tomorrow. Okay, enjoy, Rico.